Up to now, we have seen the most important scanning types to discover a network. There are some other scanning techniques in Nmap which are not used as much as the others, but in some cases, you may need to find some other ways to be able to discover the sensitive hosts in a network. In this slide, we'll see 3 more scan types: null, fin, and Christmas scans. The common ground of these 3 scanning methods, null, fin, and Christmas scans, is that they send packets to the target systems in which SYN, ACK, and RIST flags are not set. Null scan, S_N, does not set any bits. That is, the TCP flag header is 0. Fin scan, S_F, sets just the TCP fin bit. Christmas scan, S_X, sets the fin, push, and urge flags, lighting the packet up like a Christmas tree. There are 2 rules defined in RFC standards about such packets. The first rule is, if the destination port state is closed, an incoming segment not containing a RIST causes a RIST to be sent in response. The second rule is, packets sent to open ports without the SYN, RIST, or ACK bits set are dropped. These 3 scan types are exactly the same in behavior except for the TCP flag set in probe packets. If a RIST packet is received, the port is considered closed, while no response means it is open or filtered. If an ICMP unreachable error, type 3, code 0, 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, or 13 is received, the port is marked as filtered. So as a result, with these types of scans, you can find out if a port is closed or not. It's not possible to understand if it's open or filtered if there's no response. This scan is different than the others discussed so far in that it never determines open or even open filtered ports. It's used to map out firewall rule sets, determining whether they are stateful or not and which ports are filtered. The ACK scan probe packet has only the ACK flag set. When scanning unfiltered systems, open and closed ports will both return a RIST packet. Nmap then labels them as unfiltered, meaning that they are reachable by the ACK packet, but whether or not they're open or closed is undetermined. Ports that don't respond or send certain ICMP error messages back, type 3, code 0, 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, or 13, are labeled filtered.